Hello, in this video, we will present the problem for finding the closest pair. So these are the points. We will find 2 points that are closest to each other. So these are the 2 points. And let's add another point. Those are the 2 points. Let's add another point. These are the 2 points closer to each other. This is the GUI program. You see all the points and the distance connecting the 2 points that are closer to each other. In the future, you'll be able to write this program, but now we will get the input from the keyboard. So the input are the points. So the program will let the user enter the points. So first, we will prompt the user to enter the number of points. Then we will get all the points. Each point is 2 values, the x coordinate and y coordinate. We're going to put this 2 values in a list and put each point to the points list. So this points is a 2-dimensional list. So this is the diagram for the points, 2-dimensional list. So these are the points, 8 points. So this is index from 0 to 7, and each point has 2 values. And those 2 values are in a list. So we're getting all those points now, and we enter the points. So this is the input. This is the number of points, 8 points, and this are the points here. And each point has 2 values. So this, each point, the 2 values are on one line. So we're going to now prompt the user to enter x and y coordinates of point. And now we're going to split it. So this is in s dot split. So split it and convert each item after you split it into this float. So this is a list for 1 point. And now we're going to add this point to points. Points consists of many points, and point is just for 1 point. So now, initially, we will let this 2 points here is the first point and the second point, the index 0 and 1. So this assume those 2 points are nearest to each other. So I think what we need to do, this one here is actually, we are going to invoke a function here to get the nearest points. So this is the function here we're going to invoke actually. This is the one here. So I'm going to copy and paste this right here. So I'm going to copy and paste this right here. And this is in the nearest points module. So I'm going to put this right here. So this is what I have here. And this is correct here. And so now let's go back to this nearest points module with this function nearest points. And so this is right here, nearest points. So this will return here we'll return those 2 points, return P1. Initially, so there's 2 points starting from the first one and the second one, so the index 0 and 1. And this is the shortest distance, and we have this function, shortest distance, to get the shortest distance between the 2 points. So now we get the shortest distance between the 2 points. So this is P1, X and Y coordinates, and this is P2, X and Y coordinates. Now we have this distance, so getting the distance now. Here, the shortest distance, if this shortest distance is, this is my current shortest distance, is greater than this D, so this is D, so now we're doing this for looking for this, every 2 points and see what's the distance. So if this shortest distance is greater than D, so we now change this to I, J. So this is I and this is J. Here is I, this is all the points here. And the J, now we don't do any, say the points are here. You're gonna look for the points between, let's say 1 and 5 index. So you don't need to look for 5 and 1. So you only need 1 pair. This is the, so 1 and 5, not 5 and 1. 5, 1 is going to be redundant. All right, so that's why here J is starting from I plus 1. So after all this, the for loop is finished. So we have this P1 and P2. So this are the 2 points that are nearest to each other. So that is all for this program on finding the closest pair of points. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.